In this video, we're going to learn how to add with doubles. So if we have a problem like this one, and it says 5 plus 6 equals blank, then we can remember, or we could rewrite it in the following way. So 5 plus 6 equals 5 plus 5 plus 1. So we know that 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So isn't this basically the same word problem as this one? What makes it easier is that we know that 5 plus 5 is 10. So we could replace 5 plus 5 with 10. So it becomes 10 here. And then what we have left is the plus 1. So we know that 5 plus 6 is the same as 10 plus 1, which equals 11. If you're having problems understanding this, another way you could do it is by looking at this number line. So with this number line, you could remember when we work with number lines, we imagine ourselves at 5, and then we can jump 5 to 10 because we know how to skip count. So we just jumped 5, but we're supposed to jump 6. So if we jump one more, we end up at 11. So we know that 5 plus 6 equals 11. We jumped 5 and then we jumped 1, which is a total of jumping 6 times. And we end up at 11. And if you don't get this right away, just rewind the video and watch it again.